Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Rose Marie and welcome to my laundry room. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use Tide parts in washing machine properly, okay? Yes. So I have something new in my washing room today, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This is the Tide parts right here. Yes, a powder parts. It's a powder parts, okay? It's a powder parts, or you call it tart parts, okay? So this is what I'm going to be using today. So before I start, I'm just going to be introducing some of the product I have in my washing room today, okay, y'all? So I love washing, right? I love to wash. So I have some of the stuff right here. I think for most of you who have been following me, you know most of my soap I do my laundry with. So this soap right here is one of my number one soap in my washing room. Yeah, I usually use this to wash my baby girl clothes with. This the other one right here. Yeah, this is what I use to wash my baby girl clothes because it make this clothes smells like I would say 72 hours ago. Yeah, it smells really, really good. Yeah, even when the clothes is dirty, you take the clothes, it still smell, good. And I have another one right here. Which is my number two soap in my washing room right here. I also use this to wash my son clothes and uniform of it. Yep. I like this. And guys, I have another big surprise for you guys. This one right here, you see here is a powder soap. It's a powder soap, okay? Powder. So this is a powder soap right here, and this is what I use on my clothes, okay? I love to wash my clothes with this. So I have a lot of soap in my washing room today, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you guys this. This is my number one, number two, and this is number three. And as I told you guys, I have something new in my washing room today. Like this one is super new. And today's gonna be my very first time using this one right here. So guys, let's get into the video, okay? So this is Tide or powder pops or Tide pops, okay? This is what I'm gonna be using right here in my washing room. So let's get started. This is brand new. If you want to know where I got this from, stay to the end of the video. I'm gonna tell you where I got this soap from, okay? So in here we have like 4 bags right here. Yeah, so this is the first one right here, and each of you have like 18 inside. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here, and each of you have like 18 in there. Oh my god, 18 in there. So yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm gonna be opening this right here. Let me open one and see how it look like. So guys, welcome to my washing room, okay? Let me open one and see how it look like, yo. Oh my gosh, this is how one of it look like. Okay? So when I'm using this, I do not need additional soap or extra soap for my clothes. I'm just going to use this and it's going to be fine for you guys, okay? So let me show you guys how to use this properly, okay? So I'm here to help you guys, okay? A lot of times, some of us get this stuff and we don't really know how to use them, okay? Oh my god, and it smells really good. It smells really good. So a lot of times some of us have these things and we don't really know how to use it. But today I'm going to be helping you. I'm here to help you to show you how to use this properly, okay? Okay, so let's get into the video. If you just want to see it close, this is how it look like. Then I'm going to be, trying to open the machine right here for you guys to see, okay? So this is my washing machine right here. For those of you who are going to be washing me for the first time, this is my washing machine right here. And normally when I'm doing like smaller clothes, I'm just going to use just one of this in my small clothes. Just one of this is okay. Yeah, one of this is okay. And to use this something properly, you have to like, this washing machine have to be really empty. Yeah, it have to be really empty, okay? So as you can see in the machine, the only thing inside is the powder, the powder soap, okay? Yeah, the only thing inside is what I put there, okay? There is no clothes in here. So if you want to use this in your washing machine properly, please do not leave clothes in the machine before using it. So I have 2 over there. I'll recommend you to get used to it, okay? But because I'm doing this and I'm using my own washing machine at home, I'm gonna be using 4 or 5. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, I hope you guys gonna see this right here. Yeah, I have about 5 in here. If you don't see, I'm sorry, but I got a 5 in it, which is just too much. But the reason I'm using 5 because I'm doing it at home. Okay, so now it's time for me to put my clothes in the washing machine. Okay, let's do this. So I just put my clothes in the washing machine, as you can see right here. This is how my clothes look like in the washing machine. So I got my clothes in the washing machine here. So a lot of mistakes most of us make is after putting your clothes in the washing machine before you put a pad over it. It's not the right way, okay? So you have to put a pad before putting your clothes over it. So now I got all my stuff in here. I'm just gonna come here and just, put my machine on right here. I have a whole tutorial about how to use this washing machine. I'm just gonna select my cycle. As I told you guys, I'm using 5 of them because I'm washing my clothes at home, but I will recommend it to you 3, okay? Okay, so it's on normal right over there. The normal is last for 55 minutes. And I'm just gonna come right here to start right here, and then boom, there you go. So this is how I use my tie pad. My tie pads in the washing machine, okay? So family and friends, if you found this video helpful, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? So once again, welcome to my washing room, or welcome to my laundry room. Yes, this is where I do my laundry. Yeah, I do my laundry in my basement. I'm so lucky I have 2 sets. I have the washing machine. I have a set. I have washing machine and a drying machine, and both of them are all set. Yeah, the both of them are set. Yeah, the both of them are set. So if you found this video helpful, please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? Don't forget to support me.
The battery's not working. The battery's not working.
So on my channel, I just do a little bit of everything. I'm a new content creator. I have not found my niche yet. So I do cleaning, I do cooking, I talk about laundry, I do my own hair, I do exercise, and I also cook on a live video. So I'm still looking for my niche. So guys, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, but not limited. From the time I'm making a video, the last time I checked, we had like 645 subscribers. So guys, please support me, make my goal, okay? I love you all so much. Thank you. Come back to watch more of the video, okay? I'm going to show you guys the result when the clothes is ready. Thank you so much. Love you. Mwah.